Glitching AI, Dropshipping Review and Tutorial. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Glitching AI and my reviews on it. So to start off, what you want to do is create an account. So the website is glitching.ai, but if you already have an account, what you can do is sign in. So I'll show you guys the process on how to sign up. So to sign up, what you want to do is just click on get started right here, and then you can either sign up with Google or sign up manually using your email and adding a password. After signing up, you'll be greeted by this. So this is the dashboard of glitching.ai, and then when I go to the left corner over here, you would see the different kinds of settings that you could use. So first is we have glitch mode. So just click on start glitching. Then it will ask you to start the tutorial, but yeah, let's just click on that.
Glitch mode is an AI that gives you everything you need to start your dropshipping business. Press start glitching to get started.
So just click on start glitching, and then you'll find these options right here. So wait for these to finish.
Here you can see your product stats and profit.
So in this area right here, you'll find all of your product stats and margins. You can see the sales price, the cost, and your profit. And then you'll also see the reviews of your product, and then you can access some other online stores right here like Amazon, AliExpress, Get Supplier, and a lot more. Moving on is we have the store builder.
This is the product page our AI builds.
So basically what the store builder does, it helps you to build your store. So you can build your store like this in Shopify, and it will help you customize that for you. So as you can see over here, this is all made by AI. So as you can see, it has made a store for this fold camp stool right here. It added some descriptions to it and a lot more. You can also change the brand colors, the brand font, recommended theme, your store name, and your product name. Moving on is we have ads and creatives.
Here you can see viral ads for your product. Our AI also crafts engaging ad scripts you can use to promote your product.
So once you have chosen a product, when you go to the ads and creatives tab right here, you'll be able to see all of the popular ads for your product. And then what Glitching AI also does, it can also make ads for you.
Here you can view your marketing plan. This tells you exactly how to sell your product.
Moving on is we have the marketing plan. So basically what it does, Glitching AI plans everything that you should do. So it tells you who to sell to, how to sell it, and where to advertise, how to advertise. So let's just read a couple of examples right here. So who to sell to. So we are selling a camping chair. So it tells us to sell it to outdoor enthusiasts and campers who value quick and efficient gear. Next is how to sell it. So freedom to wander. So this product provides a sense of readiness to explore new places and engage in outdoor activities without worrying about space or cumbersome gear. And then where to advertise. So it recommends us the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And it also says right here, it is always recommended to advertise to the 5 countries listed here when starting out, as their citizens spend the most online. So you should keep these in mind. So it says right here that these 5 countries right here are the biggest spenders when it comes to online buying. And then next is how to advertise that. So it says right here, it recommends us to advertise this in Facebook ads. So as we read more information right here, the outdoor folding small tool is targeted at outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, and potentially a family-oriented audience that enjoys picnics or other outdoor activities. This demographic spans a wide range of ages, including both young adults and older individuals. Considering the broad age range and the appeal to individuals with outdoor hobbies, Facebook ads would be the most suitable advertising platform. Facebook's diverse user base and targeting options make it effective for reaching a wide audience interested in outdoor and camping equipment. And then next is we have the execution plan.
This is your execution plan. It's a step-by-step guide showing you start getting sales.
So basically what the execution plan does, it's a guide on how to start getting sales. So phase 1 is the online store startup. So sign up for Shopify, import your product to your Shopify page, create a logo using Canva, download DSers for fulfillment, and enable Shopify payments to accept customer payments. Phase 2 is find a supplier. So find a reliable supplier like on AliExpress. So connect the supplier to your DSers account, order a sample product to your address to check quality and create your ads. And then phase 3 is the ads creation. So research your target market and competitors. Analyze viral posts for insights. Download the ads in the ads and creative section and create your own ads using provided templates. Next is TikTok organic. So create a TikTok account on your phone. Learn the TikTok algorithm and policies and post at least 1 to 3 videos a day. Moving on, we have paid ads on TikTok. So create a TikTok business account, add a payment method to the account, create a campaign at $20 a day using 3 to 5 ads. Let it run for 3 days and optimize. Phase 6 is paid ads on Facebook, so it will just do the same thing. Phase 7 is fulfillment. When orders start to come in, fulfill them in 24 hours. Make sure every customer receives a tracking number. Answer customer emails in under 24 hours. And lastly, phase 8 is funnel troubleshooting. So look at your ads website to see what needs improvement. If your metrics are bad like CPC, CPM, or CTR, test new ads and hooks. If you're getting traffic but no conversions, fix your landing page. So each phase right here has a tutorial on how you do it. So if you click on learn how to do it over here, it will lead you to a tutorial on how to do it. So that is pretty much all the settings right here in glitch mode. Moving on, as we have previous glitches. So this is where you see all of the products that Glitching AI has recommended for you. So as you can see, our outdoor folding small tool is already in our previous glitches. So moving on, as we have the AI product finder. So basically what this does, it finds products for you. So to find a product, what you want to do, just click on find products right here, and then glitching.ai will find products for you. And then once it's done loading, it will recommend you a couple products that you could sell. So let's say I want to sell this one right here. Just click on it and then you will see the details of your product. So you will see the sales price, the cost, and the profit. And then next is we have the wow factor, the profit margin, the saturation, and the product market fit. So basically, this just tells you if the product is worth selling. And then what you can do is create the product page using Shopify. So use AI to create a Shopify product page for this product. So if you want to create the product page for this on your Shopify account, just click on this. And then if you want to create ads, you can use this one right here. So use AI to create Meta and TikTok ads for this product. And then moving on, so we have ad creative. So these are similar ads related to your product, and then from here it will tell you who your target audience will be. So homeowners interested in enhancing outdoor security and aesthetics with eco-friendly, easy install lighting solution. And then we have marketing angles right here. So we have enhanced security and peace of mind, eco-friendly and cost efficient, and ease of installation and versatility. And then if you want to save this product, just click on save product right here, and then click on this arrow right here to go back. And then when you go to save products, you will see your product right here. So when I click on it, again, I will see all the details of my product. And then if you want to import it to your Shopify, just click on this. Moving on, let us head over to our product pages. So basically what the product pages does, the AI and Glitching AI will automatically create a product page for you. So let's create a product page for our solar light right here, and then it will start creating your product page. So this can take up to 30 seconds. So you can click on regenerate to get another look or style of your product page. So let's click on regenerate. So as you can see over here, this is what our product page will look like. So if you're already good at this kind of product page, you can now import that product page to your Shopify account. So just click on import to product page right here. Moving on is we have courses. So basically what courses do is that Glitching.ai has a courses that you can read or watch on how to dropship. So we have different kinds of modules right here that you could access. So module 1 is welcome to glitching, module 2 product selection, module 3 store setup, module 4 ad creation, module 5 TikTok ads, module 6 TikTok organic, module 7 Facebook ads, module 8 fulfillment, module 9 email and SMS marketing, and module 10 is customer support. So once you start reading a module right here, it will also fill up your progress bar right here. So to start a course, just click on start course right here, and
Here's
then
the
it will
lesson
start
video.
the course. So as you can see over here, we have videos provided that you can watch. So as you can see over here, this is the video of module 1. So it has different kinds of modules or videos that you can watch. And then over here, you'll also have an AI mentor so that you can ask questions. And then when you click on modules right here, you can switch to any module that you want. Moving on, as we have ads. So basically what ads does, it creates ads for you. So the AI of glitching.ai will create ads for you. So let's start. So let's say I want to create an ad for outdoor solar light right here. So just click on it, and then it will start creating your ad. So this can take up to 30 seconds. So once it's done creating the ad right here, it will now show you an ad copy and an ad script. So scene 1, a family enjoying a well-lit outdoor dinner on their patio with some narration on it and a lot more. And then moving on, you'll also have your meta ads right here. So for Facebook, so as you can see, it has now created an ad for it. Illuminate your outdoors with ease. So scene 1, again, etc., etc. And then let's say you're not into the ad that glitching AI made for you, you can just click on regenerate right here to regenerate your ad or regenerate your ad script. And then lastly, you'll get access to their private Discord. So when you click on that Discord link, it will ask you to join their Discord right here. So from there, you can also ask questions if you want to, and ask more tips on how to use glitching.ai. So yeah, that is pretty much for the glitch.ai dropshipping review and tutorial.